All right, so I've got George, my Great Pyrenees, in the back here, and in the very back, I don't know if you can see it, is the Sea-Doo. We're going to the lake, and we're gonna see how George likes being on the water on a Sea-Doo. We got him on the ski. Stay there. You're a good boy. Stay there. All right, let's start the motor. All right, so he's actually doing pretty good. And he just kind of rides like an old pro. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, we're gonna go explore the other end, aren't we, George? You ready? Yeah, you love me? Oh. All right, so we just stopped and watched this guy jump off the bridge behind us, and now this is the old bridge right here, and we're just kind of leisurely cruising. We're gonna just kind of putt up the river a little bit, see what we find. So we found this little, just mini cove, I guess you'd call it, to park in, and which is nice because the river is leisurely flowing towards us this way. And so this rock right here, I'm gonna remember this spot because it blocks the flow, and I don't have to do anything to hold the ski here. And I got my best buddy in the world right here, George, the Great Pyrenees, hanging out on the San Joaquin River. 95 degrees, August 3rd, 2020. Are you having a good time? Are you having a good time? He decided to take a dunk, and I think he's really enjoying it. I think he likes the water. You know, that's not going to help though, George. Guess what, George? It's time to get in the water. You want to come in? Huh? No? Maybe? You want to go home? We got the ski out of the lake. Want to go home? Yeah, let's go home. That's where the food is. Yeah, good dog, George. You had a good day today. Good day. Anyway, folks, if you like this episode, again, if you wouldn't mind, just hit that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. I'd really appreciate it. Also, hit the thumbs up to like it, and if you wouldn't mind, hit the little bell there. That'll notify you every time I release a new one, and we will see you on the next one.